Hey everyone, today we're going to show you the time of use battery control feature, which can be used to charge your battery at specific times of the day. Now you might want to do this if you have access to free or cheap electricity, depending on the provider you're with or whether you're part of a virtual power plant program. Now to use this feature, you need to have a hybrid Fronius inverter, such as the Gen 24 Plus or Verto Plus, and you also need to have a compatible DC coupled battery like the Fronius Reserva. All right, let's get into it. First, we need to access the inverter's web user interface, and I've put in 2 videos in the description below, which will show you how to access this locally while you're standing in front of the inverter or remotely using SolarWeb. For this function, we want to allow charging from the grid. So we need to navigate to the state of charge settings, which are located in energy management, then battery management, then SOC settings. Tick battery charging from other sources and select the option that includes charging from the public grid. Then click Save to apply the settings. Time of use controls are located in energy management, then battery management, then time dependent control. Click the Add button and then choose minimum charging power. We are setting a minimum charge power, not a maximum, because that means the inverter will charge the battery at least by this amount during that time period. What value you put in here will depend on the size of your inverter. We recommend entering a value above your inverter's AC capacity, as this will ensure the inverter charges the battery at the maximum rate during this window. For example, I've put in 10,000 watts or 10 kilowatts because I have an 8 kilowatt inverter here. Then put in the time schedule. Here we've set it to charge between 1 to 3 p.m. every day of the week. Then click Add and then Save, and your settings will take effect immediately. Also note, you can create multiple time schedules for different rates. After you've applied your settings, you can then monitor the charging in real time via SolarWeb's dashboard, or you can look at historical data in the energy balance view. And that's it. Now you know how to set up your battery to automatically charge during a set time period of the day when electricity is free or cheap. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.